All right, we're gonna do the Incline Cider Company White Peach. Little tall boy here. They're from I just said that, Auburn, Washington. This is 6.9% alcohol by volume. I'm assuming these are recommendations for when you drink it, which is camping, in space, and camping. The bricks, which is like, I guess the sugar, is 2.6. The pH is 3.4.
Gold.
Yeah, it's kind of like an IPA color.
Almost kind of a, yeah, just a real light caramel.
It's like a fresh.
Ooh, wow, it's peachy.
Pressed,
Holy
yeah,
God.
Yeah, definitely peach.
Wow. Wow, it's good.
Ooh, very acidic.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh man,
Yeah.
That's some heartburn waiting to happen.
Yeah, little acidic, dry.
Yeah, dry at the end.
You get a good little amount of appleness in there too, though. You know, the kind of apple.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing.
It smells like when you rub the outside of a peach.
Mm-hmm.
And you start to get that real kind of earthy, fruity.
The essence, yeah.
You know, almost like the peach pit and the outside of the peach when you rub it. That's what this tastes. That's what it smells like, and it tastes like the fresh meat of the peach.
Yeah, I'm not that much of a peach fan, but I'm
Me
a fan
either.
of
But this is good.
Oh,
yeah,
I'm a total fan of this.
Yep.
Like, I'm a 10 on this.
What do you food wise with it?
Fuck, I'd say apple pie right away.
Or cobbler or something,
Yeah,
kind of things
peach
like
cobbler,
that. Yeah.
actually. Yeah, good point.
Mm-hmm.
Any sort of chocolate, like whether it's ice cream or brownie
White
or cookie
chocolate or something.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm going dessert with this, but
Yeah, bittersweet cannolis or something. You know, chocolate-filled cannoli, or that'd be good stuff.
Yeah, meat-wise, I'd go with like maybe a
Pork.
Yeah, pork. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Kind of like a lighter fish maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Like cod or something like that.
Yeah, or sea bass, or
Yeah, sea bass would be
anything
good,
like
too.
that. Yeah.
This would be a good saute.
Yeah, with some shrimp or some sea scallops or
Oh
something.
yeah, seafood for sure.
Especially if you made a sauce out of this stuff and then paired it and you seared the sea scallops off and got them nice and crusty and, you know, herb and seasoned up, and then you put this like on top of the sauce on the plate, and
Yeah.
it'd be really good. And then just with some like real toasted sourdough crostini and, you know, like some fresh garlic, and all that would go really well with that peach flavor.
I go with some grilled veggies and fruit, a kebab sort of thing, you know.
Yeah.
Peppers and
Like a Hawaiian deal or something with some, like little spicy sausages and shrimp and like a little bit of pineapple, all on the kebab, and then like some Bermuda onion or whatever sweet red onion on there.
Sweet pulled pork too.
Yep.
With sweet and sour sauce, like type.
Yeah, on a good garlicky brioche bun.
Yeah, I have no complaints. I'm not a peach person.
I know, me either. It's good, really good.
We're not